and I'm Deborah Heath. We're here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are experiencing Fantasy RV Tours' 25th year of training.
Can you imagine, since this company started off in 1991, we're up to now almost 90 tours that we're leading this year, with the Wagon Masters and Tail Gunners and staff all gathered in this room, coming together as a closer family to help our customers experience.
We are learning from each other. The ambassadors are talking back and forth as the training's going on. We're sharing our experiences we've had, ideas, and things that we have questions about. And so this is our opportunity to become better wagon masters
and better tour managers. And so our customers' experience will be the most fantastic bucket list item that they can have.
You know, Nell is here herself. She's the founder and the CEO of the company. She is an amazing woman. I cannot imagine having the skill, expertise, knowledge, and continued drive that she has. And her enthusiasm is infectious. And so as ambassadors, we are taking her vision this year and making it a reality.
One of the things that sets Fantasy RV Tours apart from other tour companies is our training program. What you're seeing here today is our new ambassador training program where they're learning out in the field. We also do advanced training for our experienced wagon masters so that we can get them in the loop on the latest and greatest technologies, get the wagon masters together so that they can build camaraderie and work on teamwork projects, give ideas about how to improve our tours, what they're finding out while they're out working on the tours. And then we also do, in between these two trainings, a virtual Wagon Master Boot Camp. And that's online, and that's really just to touch base with our very first time people who are going from being a tail gunner to a wagon master, and they get a little bit more hands-on training just with the Zoom training with our ambassador liaison.
At this ambassador training, we've learned so much about the company, why it makes it fantastic and so easy for people to join the tours, stress-free, and it's just, we're going to meet so many more new people. We've met some great people that have been on tours before. We're learning how to be the best tail gunners that this company has ever seen.
Our classroom training for our new ambassadors is really modeled after being on a tour. So we bring them out here to do some on-the-job training. We teach them everything they need to know to be a successful ambassador, and we're training them as tail gunners to eventually become wagon masters. And we really like to have them get this experience in the campground and in the classroom so that they can experience both. So today our new ambassadors are in the field. They're learning exactly what it takes to get started on rally day. So they're doing vehicle inspections, they're learning how to put on rig stickers, they have been learning how to put on a social and an on-tour meal. This morning they had breakfast and they prepared the breakfast and served each other just like we would do on a regular tour day.
What I think I've enjoyed most about the training, other than learning about the opportunity, is when I came here, I was interested in seeing what kind of a company it was, what kind of culture they had, who was in leadership, and then I don't know about you, well, actually I do know, I've been blown away. Quality people at the top, quality people training, quality ambassadors that were leading or helping leading all this. I can't wait to have the opportunity to work with those guys. That was fun.
Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm ready to go on a tour now.
Well, you know, I don't know how we can get higher expectations because our guests and us expect the best, and Fantasy delivers every time.
Yes.
If you like what you're seeing, comment below, hit like, and hit subscribe.